Are you an exhibitor, a speaker, an organizer, or a participant at an event in Marrakech? Are you experiencing software or hardware issues with your computer phone or any other device? Don't worry anymore. Marrakech Telecom offers a comprehensive solution to solve your problems. And our technical support team is available 24/7 to assist you. Complete technical support, no matter the type of issue you're facing. Our technical support team is ready to assist you. Available 24/7, you can contact us at any time to receive quick and efficient assistance. Software and hardware assistance. Whether you're facing software or hardware issues, Marrakech Telecom provides you with comprehensive assistance. Remote assistance, whether you're on site or remote, Marrakech Telecom provides you with real-time assistance. Multilingual support, communicate with us without any language barriers, which makes resolving your technical issues easier. Data backup and recovery, you can have peace of mind knowing that your information is secure and recoverable when needed. For more information, please visit our website or contact us at 0660 17 69 30.